My name is Bruno Buccelli. I'm the owner of Buccelli's Italian restaurant. My first apprentice started here and is ended now working for one fine dining restaurant in Clitheroe. That's mean it's a very, very good way for young people to come to the world work. I decided to take another apprentice because this kind of collaboration with the Lancaster Morecambe College a very, very good collaboration and partnership in some way. But also for me it's also give the opportunity to take some young people out from the street. They are young people which they have no clue what's going to be the work or the work environment. We can guide them, show and share the passion. I would recommend the apprenticeship scheme to any business because you can have a new member of your staff. You can work with him from the start. You can teach like how is your business, and also you can benefit of the grant scheme offered by the government. My suggestion to the other businesses like please quick take someone on board because it will help your business, help your city, help our society.